Alright, welcome back. Davidson's All Natural Gym. Today, we are going to replace the key switch in the Wood Mizer Lt35. It is, just listen. No key in it, and the starter is engaging whenever I touch the battery. Because the battery's unhooked because I changed the key switch, or I changed the starter out. But it wouldn't. Anyway, it's engaging, and it's not supposed to be because the key ain't in it, right? We're not supposed to be engaging with the key, no key in it. That's not a good idea. This is the fourth time I replaced this key switch on the Lt35 in 3 years. So obviously something is wrong here. And here's my theory. I don't know if anybody else has gone through this or not, but here's my theory. Moisture gets in there. Even when the lid's down, the moisture can get in, but sawdust can blow around and get in there. So sawdust gets in there, and then it collects the moisture. And then the moisture with the sawdust engages the key switch when it freezes and thaws, and it's just wet in there. I don't know what else it is. Some kind of a faulty key switch. But I've taken all these off. We're going to open this up. I've already had it open. I had it open when the key switch failed on me. But you can see just all the sawdust that's in there. Well, if you're looking on this camera, you can see it. I've tried blowing this key switch out with air. More air than that, but several times. I've tried like the lock de-icer so that it doesn't freeze, to blow that in there and get that out. It just maybe I can see what's shorting it out inside there. I think that'd be pretty interesting, right? So the black one's a gram. That's pretty obvious. You don't need to save that one, right? Don't need to worry about where that one goes. Two big ones go over here. I'm gonna almost need a socket to get that one off. A socket would sure be easier. And boy, if you got big hands, I don't know how you're gonna get in there. So those two go over there. That should be easy, right? Two little ones go over here. That should be easy. Three little ones go over here. Okay. Now, if we hook this up right. Alright, so there's three. They go right over here. That's going to make that one really tight. Let's put it over there. Don't follow me for mechanical tips. Like, you know, if this is your go-to channel for how to fix your sawmill, you're in trouble. Correct the window. It's pretty tight. See if I can get that screwdriver handle in there. A bit more grip. Alright. Now we just got these two wires here. Next to. And in the ground. So there's the old key switch. Wood Mizer sent me. I mean, it looks like there is nothing wrong with that thing. Perfect. Before I put the wire. I'll try it that way. It's a good thing the battery's unhooked because I'm touching all kinds of electrical stuff in here. I can't feel my fingers. My fingers are frozen, so that's not a good deal. That's not a good deal at all. Not very much fun. But I sure can't put on a pair of gloves in here. Alright. Now what do we got? The ground? Might as well ground it. I mean, you wouldn't think the ground would matter, right? We need to ground it. We don't need ground. These don't need no stinking ground. Oh man, my fingers are hurting. I've only been out here a few minutes. And I can't tell. The only way I can tell if that thing's turning is if I see it turning. I can't feel it turning. Okay. I got all that hooked up right, you think? I'll double check. Make sure they're all tight at least. Don't know if they're right, but they're all tight. Now, there we go. Back to work. Key switch is good. I'm going to put a cover over this key switch. And we'll sawdust this in it from now on. Okay, we're ready to go.